Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you how to understand if someone has you blocked. As you can see in my previous account, I had this account blocked. I unblocked them. But now I'm not sure if they blocked me or not, right? And even if I go to my DMs, as you can see, it's completely normal. Doesn't seem like they blocked me, even though I can block them and add them as a friend. So this is your first clue. When you block someone, they get unfriended automatically. So you'll be able to you can send them a friend request again, right? But it's gonna come out as friend request failed. It could be a Discord error, or it could be that they blocked you, but you're gonna get unfriended immediately. And a second way you can understand if they blocked you or not is type a message. When you type a message, it's gonna come as Clydebot is gonna message you saying, your message could not be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with the recipient, or the recipient is only accepting direct messages from friends. So that's pretty much clear. They have blocked you because you can't send a friend request, neither can you send a direct message. Something's fishy, and that fishy is you've been blocked. That's about it. That's how you say if you've got blocked or not. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.